Now, almost 419 oxygen concentrators have been seized by the Delhi police at a restaurant when the police, now we are told, found suspicious activity happening at the restaurant. Now, the oxygen concentrators were being sold for a sum of 70,000 rupees each. The police have now seized 419 oxygen concentrators. Let me go back to Sumi for more on this. Sumi, give us more details of what the police have found at this particular restaurant.
Yes, absolutely, Nupur. When we are witnessing this, devastating crisis, there are a lot of demons who are trying to take advantage of the situation, and which is why one such very gruesome incident has come to light now, where the oxygen concentrators were also being sold in black market, and in fact, FIR has been lodged, and such activities have been brought to the limelight, and action has been taken. But let's not forget that these things are constantly being, such essentials, medical supplies and such amenities are being constantly black marketed. In fact, one such incident has come to light where we see a restaurant where the suspicious activity was taking place, a restaurant named Negeju restaurant, which was located in the central market of Lodhi colony, where the 5 liters and 9 liters of oxygen concentrators were being black marketed. In fact, there was a person also sitting with a laptop, and he was making sure that they were constantly receiving orders of such concentrators. And the concentrators, which are usually the MRP, if we talk about the MRP in a non-pandemic world, the MRP is close to 25,000 to 30,000 max. But right now, as the demand is so much, as the demand is too high of the oxygen concentrators because of the acute shortage of the oxygen, most people are now, turning to oxygen concentrators. So, which is because of the high demand of oxygen supply and the high demand of oxygen concentrators, now they are being sold for as high as 55,000. But most people are also taking advantage of that and are selling it for exorbitant prices. In fact, the people who have, who were indulged knee deep in this black marketing activity, the FIR has been lodged under section B34 IPC and 37 of the essential commodities. I have the copy of the FIR which I'm reading right now, and the people who are involved are Gaurav, he's aged 47, Satish Sethi, he is in fact the citizen of east of Kailash, and Vikrant, who is the son of Balwan Singh, and he is the resident of Mahipalpur, and Hitesh, aged 32, he is the resident of Mahanagar. He is the manager, also happens to be the manager of the restaurant and the bar where this black marketing activity was currently taking place. All of these people have been arrested, and the further investigation is being conducted right now, and more people will also come in contact with it and definitely will be nabbed by the authorities. But this is not the first time that the activity of black marketing is coming to light, Nupur. Many such, medical supplies are being black marketed constantly. In fact, remdesivir injections was black marketed. And in fact, now oxygen concentrators are being black marketed. And these people are just taking advantage of the devastating crisis, Nupur. And it is really unfortunate for the citizens to actually receive the brunt of it.